Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the brioche loaf. The taste is buttery and the texture is soft. Let's get started. Some all-purpose flour, a little salt. Sift them together into the mixing bowl. Transfer the flour and salt into the stand mixer. Whisk 2 eggs. Some lukewarm water. Add some sugar to the water. Add some yeast to the water as well. Then mix with the eggs. Turn on the machine at low speed. Gradually add the fluid to the flour. After it becomes a ball, medium speed for 5 minutes. Add the softened unsalted butter. Keep the machine at low speed. When the butter is fully incorporated into the dough, change it to medium speed for 10 minutes. Then keep it in a warm place, let it proof for 1 hour. After 1 hour, let's check the dough. I will use the 9-inch long square baking tin. Degas the dough. Equally divide it into 3 portions. Shape it into a ball. Transfer the 3 balls into the baking tin. Brush some milk to the surface. Let it proof for 1 hour. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Brush some milk again. Bake the loaf for 15 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the bread. Remove the baking tin. Brush some melted unsalted butter and let it cool down. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this brioche loaf cost me less than $3. I'm going to enjoy my toast with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.